My name is Barbara Hankins, and I'm a gardener here at Mansion Greens Community Garden. I've been a gardener since it opened in 2012. We have 24 plots that are individually managed by residents of mostly Central Frederick. And I was just going to show you a little trick because other residents in our community are little furry four-footer things. The rabbits think this is a smorgasbord, like a complete buffet for them. So we have to try to figure out how to get them not to eat their favorite food. One of their favorite things is bean sprouts. So here's a little trick to, there are a few tricks, but here's one that's not too hard to do to try to protect your bean sprouts from being the dinner of your neighborhood rabbits. So we've gathered some plastic forks with the pointy ends. And also this is of course the time when our cats and dogs are shedding. The rabbits don't like the cats and dogs. So we put these little fork sentinels around the sprouts with the pointy ends pointing outwards. So the bunnies go up to the tasty bean sprouts. First they smell the cat hair. That's not too agreeable. They bend down and their noses are gently poked by the fork tines. And that way we get the sprouts to be alive and not the rabbit's dinner. There are a couple of other things you can do to prevent the rabbits. They don't like the nightshade family. That's like potatoes and tomatoes. So if you put tomatoes and potatoes around your beans, they might not want to get too close to that. Now, as a last resort, if you can find a source, they say that dried fox urine is also really good at keeping the rabbits out of your garden.